Hello, good morning everyone. In the last video, we discussed about SAP evolution. Today, in this video, I'm going to discuss about Introduction to HANA, High Performance Analytical Application. So today's agenda is OLTP and OLAP, SAP BW and SAP BWA, and brief introduction about HANA Foundation. In SAP, we have SAP ERP and SAP BW systems. So SAP ECC is a ERP which consists of various modules, finance, logistics, human resource. And SAP ERP is a OLTP system, which is online transaction processing system. SAP BW is a data warehouse and it is mainly used for historical and long-term reporting, is a OLAP, online analytical processing system. What is meant by resource congestion? Say for example, when we purchase a product in any shop like Walmart, a transaction is done and the point of sales will get saved in SAP ERP database. SAP ERP saved transaction and hence we can generate operational reports using the transaction data. But if the business users want to find how many products are sold and how much revenue made by a particular product, then we need to read long-term data from database. So, reading and writing at the same time will lead to resource congestion. In OLTP, the writing is critical, so it takes the preference than reading. But since the reading the data is also critical to make important decisions, they came up with OLAP. SAP Business Warehouse. The BW system will have near real-time data as the data pushed from SAP ERP database to SAP BW database once or twice in a day when there is no much transactions or business happening. Basically, we do a nightly loads. SAP Business Warehouse Accelerator BWA. Why and how BWA is introduced into the market? As the volume of the data is increasing from millions and millions, the performance of the reporting is degrading. So, in order to increase the performance, the SAP system has introduced BWA, which is a Business Warehouse Accelerator, is a in-memory database on a Trex engine. So for reporting, we can fetch either the data from SAP BW database or from BW in-memory database. So what is in-memory? Say for example, when we are using a Gmail for the first time in a laptop or in a system, when we open the browser and type a gmail.com and then click enter, when we use it for the first time, the system will take the IP address associated with the Gmail account and then it will search for the corresponding domain name server for the Gmail and then go to the physical server of the Gmail and bring all the requested information back to laptop. So from the second time onwards, when we try to access the Gmail account, the information will be there in the browser cache. The cache is nothing but memory, RAM, in memory. So retrieving the data from in memory is faster than from database. Business Warehouse Accelerator is based on client-server architecture. The client component is integrated into BW application that uses the Trex functions and allows communication with BWA servers. So the benefits of BWA are the faster query processing and response time, filters and aggregates large volume of data in a very short period of time, low maintenance cost. It eliminates the need to create relational aggregates and high potential scalability. As the demand grows, the system scales up by adding blades. So the disadvantages of BWA are the BWA can only be used on SAP InfoCubes. It does not work on other info providers like DSOs. It requires one-to-one relationship between the BW system and BWA. The use of more than one BW system to BWA is not allowed as the synchronization of data across several BWA systems is not allowed. The data retrieved from BWA is transferred using RFC, remote function call. This interface is not designed for transferring mass data. Hence, the data retrieved from BWA must not be too big. Benefits of HANA over BWA. Simplified reporting performance. Only subset of data is available in BWA. HANA has all data. Data redundancy. Same data available in both BW database and BWA. There is no redundancy in HANA. Maintenance required on both BW and BWA, like upgrade on both systems, apply patches on both systems. In HANA, the maintenance cost is not much. Real-time data access. So BWA is near real-time. HANA has real-time data. Modeling flexibility not available in BWA, it is available in HANA. So BWA is still dependent on other database like Oracle or SQL. Introduction to SAP HANA. SAP HANA is an in-memory column-oriented relational database management system. Hence, HANA is called OLTP, Online Transaction and Analytical Processing System. SAP HANA includes TREX engine, P-time, and MaxDB. So, TREX stands for Text Retrieval and Information Engine, is an in-memory column-oriented search engine. It supports various kinds of text search, Boolean search, index search, and fuzzy search. The TREX also supports indexes for structured data or implemented using data compression to enable large volume of data to be processed. P-time is a Korean-based company started in 2000. It is acquired by SAP in year 2005 and P-time stands for Parallel Transact in-Memory Engine. It uses a fine-grained differential logging technique for fast retrieval of entire database in memory. In-memory is volatile, hence MaxDB is introduced. MaxDB is used for data backup and not used for reporting. MaxDB is a relational database management system. It is targeted for large SAP environments. The backup data loaded whenever a data is committed, hence it is continuous. What is meant by dynamic tiering? Storing data in main memory rather than storing on disk provides faster data access and hence confers performance advantages. In-memory is an expensive data storage. In any organization, only 15% of data is frequently used. Therefore, for the cost effectiveness, frequently accessed data called hot data can be stored in memory and less frequently used data called warm data on disk. SAP termed this approach as dynamic tiering. SAP HANA Sidecar Architecture. So now the SAP product is successfully developed, and to test the product in the market and to give the feel of SAP HANA, SAP provided HANA has a secondary database. So they no need to change the entire database. SAP ECC system contains business related modules such as profitability analysis module, sales, purchasing, COPA, material and customers. So We replicate the data from these modules into SAP HANA through SLT. Now, instead of reading the data from traditional database, which was generally slow, SAP ECC users reads data from HANA database for reporting. Using SAP HANA Sidecar as a secondary database allows the customers to access its performance and capabilities. Upon realizing performance improvement, customers can buy a full-fledged enterprise version of SAP HANA. We can replicate the entire database on it to make it fully operational, and also we can create reports using models created on SAP HANA. So in 2010, SAP HANA is released. In 2011, SAP HANA is released as a sidecar HANA, which is a secondary database. In 2011 to 2012, SAP BW on HANA is introduced, and in 2013 to 2014, SAP ERP on HANA is introduced, like S4 HANA. Thank you for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you.